We offer on-site seminars for our clients, so this is where we work with their staff on site. We also do some selected public seminars, and we also do some webinars. The majority of our work is on-site seminars. So it was easier for us in terms of communicating over email with the time difference to understand Chris's intonation on certain emails and what he was looking for and why he was looking for it. I must say, even if we didn't know Chris personally, the way that our case was handled by Chris and the clarity and the quality of his website in terms of being able to see the progress of your case throughout, rather than having these nebulous phone calls going backwards and forwards with an attorney and leaving voicemails with different time zones, it was very clear for us to be able to see where our case was in the particular process that we were in. There's no way, personally, in terms of the senior corporate job that I was holding down, everything we needed to do in terms of building the business, there is no way on this earth that personally I would have even thought about going through that whole experience, which overall for us was very positive anyway, trying to do that on our own back. I really do wholeheartedly believe that if your heart's in the right place and you really do want to do something and you treat people with courtesy and respect at various junctions, that good stuff just seems to happen, and we had a very smooth transition through the US Embassy. Also as well, in terms of the type of visa that we're having E2, Chris advised us as a ballpark what he felt needed to be our investment for us to dictate and show really that we were serious players. What that meant was that we need to position ourselves properly in terms of having a professional office, making sure that the fixtures, fittings and equipment that we were purchasing was top notch, and then position ourselves in terms of quality of website and affiliating ourselves with quality vendors and quality advisors. So that largely dictated the number that we needed to invest. So we kind of start from the bottom upwards, as it were. There weren't any specific challenges. The main thing that was a challenge for us, as I think back on it now, was of building everything up, working out our marketing plan, our business plan, putting our efforts into our financial strategy, as well as building up our own business and how we're going to go about it in our own time, as it were. I think one thing I would counsel people on is there's going to be so many naysayers around you that just say it's not possible, it's not possible, it's not possible. And I would say, really, if you've got a strong desire and if you really believe in yourself and you expect that this thing's going to happen, all good stuff can happen when you're kind of aligned with that type of thinking.